In an innovative move, Microsoft is blending the realms of Excel and Python to elevate data analysis and visualization capabilities. Excel users now have the advantage of harnessing the power of the popular programming language Python, as Microsoft introduces this integration. The public preview of this feature is already accessible, enabling users to efficiently manipulate and analyze data using Python. Stefan Canestrand, Microsoft's GM of Modern Work, highlights how users manipulate data using Python in Excel, refining insights with formulas, charts, and pivot tables. This integration streamlines advanced data analysis within the familiar Excel environment, directly accessible from the Excel ribbon. Python merges into Excel's built-in connectors and Power Query. Additionally, a new py function has been introduced, exposing Python data within Excel spreadsheets grids. Collaborating with Anaconda, a prominent enterprise Python repository, brings well-known Python libraries like Pandas, StatsModels, and Matplotlib into the Excel realm. Python computations occur in the Microsoft Cloud, with results seamlessly returned to Excel worksheets. This integration empowers Excel users to create formulas, pivot tables, and charts rooted in Python data. Moreover, charting libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn can be employed to craft dynamic visualizations like heat maps, violin plots, and swarm plots. Python in Excel is now rolling out as a public preview, exclusively for Microsoft 365 insiders in the beta channel. Initially, it will be confined to the Windows platform, with plans to expand to other platforms at a later date. During the preview phase, Python in Excel will be included in a Microsoft 365 subscription. However, certain features may be restricted without a paid license once the preview concludes. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.